Hey there, my name is Atlee, and this is Dat Bus Roxanne. It's a 97 International with the 7.3 turbo, and come on in and we'll take a tour. This is Olivia. And so yeah, this is inside, and right here we have our kitchen. I was able to pull a full stove oven out of a friend's old fifth wheel and countertop and everything. Did my live edge with Monterey cypress and cut that over here to fit to the sink as well. Got a nice deep sink. I do really enjoy cooking, so I wanted to have a really functional kitchen space. And if we keep on coming back here, a cool feature we have is our Dometic. I think this is the 95 cubic inches, dual zone, right on the slide, locks in right there, got some storage underneath here, and then as we keep coming down here into the back, we have our bathroom here. I've got a full shower and composting toilet. I did a pine tongue and groove and covered it with polyurethane, and did my own sliding door. Featured a lot of just burnt plywood because it was really simple and inexpensive. And then as we get all the way back here, we have full couch, seating, dining area, and then the couch actually pulls all the way out to the seats here to make a full-size bed. And yeah, I've got my little entertainment system, and that's kind of the foundation here. I've got my whole electronics already wired up over here. I've got 400 watts of solar on the roof. I currently have a 400 amp hour battery bank. I went with AGM sealed lead acid. And I've got a lot of space to work with in here. I've got some more electronics I'm going to be adding in. At some point I'll be moving in a full or semi-full production recording studio in here so I can record my music on the road and work with other musicians as well.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for the tour.
The lights just came on.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of this week's rig, and join us again next Saturday for another episode.